Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You all listening to Consan Show, episode number 127. And in today's episode, we are going to discuss about why perfect is the enemy of good. Why great is the enemy of good. Sounds really good. Let's get started. Never listen to any advices. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Many people around the world, and in fact 75 to 80% of the people around the world, they want everything to be perfect. They want everything to be in the perfect position, perfect state, and in the perfect area. Why is that really necessary? You don't have to do anything perfect. I know you might feel like, man, you're telling me to not to be good. I'm telling you to be good, but I'm telling you to not to be great. You cannot be great at everything that you do. You cannot be great at the first day when you're starting something. You cannot be great at business when you just start. Your first customer, he will yell at you. He will talk nonsense about you. But that is just a start. You have to learn everything. And the most of the companies who just started, Nokia was started as a rubber company. How many of you know this? And the first time when you just start things, it won't be perfect. There are lots of people who are really worried about perfection and they don't even move forward. I'll give you an example in my podcast, or I'll give you an example in my business. Let's say that you feel like quality, quantity, which is important. For me, quantity is important. Why is that so? As the quantity really increases, the quality really increases. That is what I feel like. When you just manufacture 1,000 parts, what do you say parts as? Yeah, this is a part. This mug is a part. Let's just assume that a mug is a part. We call it in a mechanical term a part in the sense object or a product. It's not an end product. There are plenty of parts that makes an entire assembly complete. There are plenty of parts that makes a product. So one product, if you just make 1,000 products, trust me, 1,001 product, that will be perfect. So when you try to do it again and again, you'll get to know what is the perfect state. If you feel like the first day you want to start a podcast just like Timothy Ferris, you won't do that. Trust me, that is not gonna happen. You know why people are really worried about this perfection? For me, greatness is just an enemy of good. If you just chase on greatness, you will never be good, and you can never be good too. Of course, greatness is greater than good, but if you just chase greatness, people will never know what you are good at too. Trust me, that's happening. And why do most people just want to be perfect? They are just worried about others people's opinion. They want to impress their crush in their profession. That is what really happening. I don't want to impress anyone. That's the reason I know I'm worst at things. But trust me, I'll be perfect at this one fine day. It could be 1,000th episode, it could be 5,000th episode, it could be the 10,000th episode. I don't really care about it. But the thing is, today it might be worse, but tomorrow or one fine day I'll be perfect. How do I really achieve that? I do it just because of not by waiting and doing it. The first episode that I launched, go watch that particular first episode. I'll just link that over here in the eye, or just go listen to that particular podcast, first podcast of Contra podcast, that is Consan Show. That would be worse. Today it might be bit better. It might be somewhere around 1% or 2% better. But trust me, the 1000th episode or the 5000th episode will be far, far, far better than this. That is what I feel like. That is the reason I 100% believe that perfect is the enemy of good, or great is the enemy of good. Try to be good at something first. Try to learn that skill and try to do it again and again and again. You do it, you'll be perfect one fine day. That is how the entire world works, guys. And for the shout out, I'm giving shout out for everyone who just comment on my particular podcast content or my videos. Make sure you guys comment on it, and you guys get a shout out. I'll go through your profile. I'll make sure what is the value that you are trying to give to this world. I'll give you a huge shout out, and I'll link your page as well as your profile in the description, and that will be on this video too. Yep, I'm doing all that, and those people who just comment, thanks a lot for commenting, guys, and I highly appreciate you guys to comment. Until then, it's me Sanjay signing off from Contra Podcast. Bye bye.